great coming out today, Brad. I'm glad you came out. Hopefully you learned a little bit of something.
I did.
And hopefully come out and see me again. We'll just touch on a couple more points, go over a little bit of what we worked on, and send you home with a couple things that you can work on, get a little bit better, and then when you come back and see me, we can transition to something else because you've already learned what I taught you this time.
Great.
So go ahead and hit one more shot, how we were hitting earlier. Okay. So again, what we were working on there, we just want to feel that angle there of the arms to the club, feeling a little bit more stable. Trying to keep that release from happening there, because when you release that, that's where you get that little flip shot and get a little bit of inconsistency in there. So a drill that I want you to take away from and that you can take home and work with yourself. Go ahead and take this alignment rod here and get set up like you're going to hit the ball. And then I'm actually just going to slide this alignment rod in here, just down to here. And now get set up like I did, a little bit farther back in the stance, a little bit of forward shaft lean. And go through and go ahead and try to flip one a little bit for me and kind of see what happens. You see how that's going to kind of flip into your stomach there? Yeah. When you have that alignment rod there, it's going to force you to hold off that angle a little bit longer and keep that angle through the swing rather than releasing it through. And if you can hit some shots like that, and you don't even have to hit shots if you want to just go home, you can stand in your living room.
Just practice that.
And just feel that motion. It really helps you kind of feel slowing the release of that club down.
Okay.
And gets you kind of moving from there.
Great.
But I think that's a good place to start. If you go home, practice that a little bit, and decide you want to come back and learn some more, we can work on a few higher lofted shots and go from there.
That's what we'll do.
All right, perfect.
Thank you, Zach.
Good work with you, Brad.